networks, they had two one-way systems, so data came in on one connection, out on another.
Mm-hmm.
Is that common to, at least, even if you've got that connection, provide that kind of separation and granularity, or are we just throwing a TCP connection up, straight line TCP connection, firewall if we thought about it?
Right now, my impression is that most of them are just straight TCP connections. A lot of them are trying to start to put in things like data diodes, and that is a good, effective thing to put in. It's not enough. It's a start, I guess. Yes, sir?
I know in a lot of industries, they have either safety integrated systems or mechanical fail-safes. Even if you control the HMI, you're still not going to cause a problem.
Right. No, that's true. There are always mechanical interlocks. Problem is older plants weren't built to modern standards. Also, if you have a 50-year-old plant, sometimes these mechanical interlocks go uninspected for years or decades. For example, pressure safety valves, which are set to explode when the pressure gets too high. If they get rusted, they're very sensitive components. If they get rusted, they're going to fail.
The good news now is we're concentrating on control systems. The safety integrated systems are now moving to IP standards as well, so we're starting to under IP.
Yeah.
The exposed when previously weren't.
Even if you have mechanical interlocks, I mean, there's still a danger here. If you put hello up on the operator's screen and his alarms, they're going to shut down the plant, and that thing takes a day at least to start back up again. So I mean, that's wasted revenue, wasted time, and then you're probably going to get fined. You probably got to go back and re-examine your network. So it's a huge waste of time. Just do it right the first time, and you don't even have to worry about your mechanical interlocks being safe. They're doing what they're supposed to do.
Any other questions? Yes, ma'am?
So probably earlier one of the bills, I can see it specifically laid out that it was common to do not only risk analysis or fault analysis, which is the process alone, and then also do a risk management on the control system.
Mm-hmm.
And then you would have to do a holistic approach to learning things like failing safe and failing soft. So I can see that in the bill.
It was in there a little bit further back.
So I would highly, and I frankly, that would
That's true. That's another point we're trying to make today is you don't need a cyber attack to have a real incident on your hands. I mean, look at the Deepwater Horizon. I mean, it's terrible. That's true. An insider could use the knowledge, disgruntled employees or just oblivious employees who don't know what they're doing. Training is key. But you're right. I mean, there needs to be more safety systems inherently designed in these processes, and they need to be maintained. And I don't think we're doing an effective job at the moment. Yes. On the what?
Hey, Wade, do you want to wrap up and we can have people come up and...
Okay, yeah, we're going to wrap up real quick and have a QA session. I think it's it's right over there somewhere.
Let's just do it. We can do it in here.
We can?
That's what he said. There's no one else in here, so we can stay in here.
Okay. More questions?
We'll stay in here. If you've got a laptop and you want to try connecting to the PLC and do whatever you want to it, you're welcome to try.
Yeah. So we do have a solution to these security flaws we found. It's called the Tofino Security Compliance. It's like a 2-port managed Ethernet switch. It's got firewall protection. It's got a little bit of intrusion detection prevention as well as alarming. It's designed by control system engineers for power plants, industrial facilities. If you want to put this device to the test and prove it works for us, we'd appreciate it. I don't know if you guys can actually hack the network through it. We'll see. Welcome to try.